Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Don't stop right there. Come on. Vince, come on. This way. Come on. There we go. Come on, man. Come on. We're going to play this piano. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guess you want me to pick him up or something? I don't know. Uh-oh. Get up. You won't do that. Come on. Oh my goodness.
You need him?
He walked like the zombie on Call of Duty right now, one step at a time. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
You got face.
Come on, this one. Does he do better with shoes on?
He hasn't had shoes on in the last couple days we've been in the house. So this is just the last couple days.
Oh my goodness, man.
Oh, now you gonna crawl?
Come on, get up. He gets up too. Oh my goodness. Come on. like he been sipping on Jack Daniels or something.
Balloons? I know you love balloons. This belongs to Ashley, so it's temporary. It's gone. He still plays with the balloons in his birthday.
Man, he loves balloons. I don't like balloons, especially nylon balloons.
Really?
I can't stand them. Me and my mom don't like the sound they make when they pop. Come on, Vince, this way.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on. He ain't got that fear yet. Yeah, come over here with Daddy. Yeah. Yeah, come over here.
You got it?
Yeah. Ooh. He said, come on, pick me up, Mom. Come on, pick me up. I tried.
You did really well.
Take me out, Coach.
You know what letter this is? Look. What letter is this? Benny, look. H. Just gonna smile. What letter is this? H. Yes, I is after H. Okay, I'm putting you back down now.
Yeah, come on over here. Come on, Vince.
Go see what Daddy wants.
Come here. Vincent, this way. He's been around the circle and fall. Come here. Come here. Come on. Ooh. He take off there like a rocket when he hit the floor. Okay. Stand up. All right, Tommy Pickle.
You gotta show that to your parents.
Oh, I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna send it to my mom email. Yeah, keep going. Let's see. That's like, wow. Come on, get up one more time. There we go. Go towards the bed. I guess the speaker's okay. Ah! All right, Vince. Say bye. Say bye. This is crazy, man. How'd you get so good in 2 days? Ooh, you hit it?
He gonna knock us. He like, ooh.
You know, it was close. Huh? Yeah, it's time to end this video now. You're falling too much.
Look how tall he is.
He's at your knee. He's at your thigh. He's still on my knee. Get up, boy.
He's taller than your knee.
Yeah, he's just that, man.
He right there.
So now you're tall. You're not long anymore because you're walking. He took his hands out to try to balance. You been drinking? How much have you had tonight, boy? How much have you been drinking tonight, son? You can't even stand up. I'm gonna have to take you to the station. You can call your parents when you get there. He will match with that electrical socket.
No.
Say bye, Vincent.
Benny. Benny. Where you going? Say bye-bye.